Apple summer sale is finally here, and it's about time that you go get your MacBook Airs or MacBook Pros for a discount. But you're gonna need some accessories. I'm here to tell you about some of my favorite MacBook Air, MacBook Pro accessories, and a little bit about why I use them. So let's take this in. The first accessory that I'm gonna talk about is probably the most essential accessory that you will need for your computer. This right here is a charging block. And yes, this comes with every MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Depending on what model MacBook Air or MacBook Pro you get, the charging block will come with a different power output. This is actually the 96-watt charger. It is a fast charging power outlet, and it's really good for my computer. I actually have the MacBook Pro, the 14-inch M2 chip. This charger actually charges it within 30 minutes to 50%, which is amazing. I plug it in, I charge it for 30 minutes, it's 50%. How much simpler could that get? But the thing is, not every charging block will get you there. With the MacBook Airs, they usually come with a 30-watt power adapter. The 30-watt power adapter is not fast charging. You won't quite get to 50% within 30 minutes, but it will still charge your laptop well. If you wanted to fast charge your MacBook Air, you would have to go to the 70-watt power adapter. This 96-watt adapter is fast charging for the MacBook Pro, but you can also go one step further and get the 120-watt power adapter, which I think is probably only really good for those really big 16-inch MacBook Pros. You don't necessarily need it for a 14-inch MacBook Pro. The 96-watt is definitely enough for that. So you can actually upgrade your power adapter to a faster charging power adapter when you're buying your computer. But the only reason I would really recommend for you to upgrade it is if you're getting one of the new MacBook Airs. This is the plug that it comes with, and as you can see, it's very different to this plug because you can't remove the plug-in part. The main reason why I would suggest for you to get a charger that looks like this is because you'll be able to get an extension cord for your charger. Now, I'm not sure why a lot of people don't have this. I have never seen somebody else with one of these extension cords for their chargers. It's so simple to use. You literally just connect it to your power adapter and it gives you an extra 2 meters. Personally, I think it's amazing because I'm always tripping over chargers. I'm not gonna lie, I've broken probably about 2 or 3 charging blocks and cords because I have tripped over it, and it's just such a big tripping hazard when you have your block directly plugged into the wall. I would definitely recommend for you to get the power extension cord because it really gives you a lot more real estate. Let's say you're charging your computer far away from the outlet, you're able to comfortably sit and charge your laptop with the extra 2-meter length of the extension cord and also the 2-meter MagSafe charger or USB-C if you're still on those models. The next accessory is probably the most essential because unlike Apple, a lot of other products are outdated. So you're gonna want one of these. It's a very simple product, a USB-C to USB adapter. You simply plug it into the side of your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, and you'll be able to connect any USB device to your computer. And honestly, this is probably not the greatest adapter to have. Personally for me, because I have the Pro, I have 4 different USB-C ports on my computer. But if you're rocking the Air, I'm gonna be warning you not to get one of these and probably get one of the ones from Apple that has the cord, just because you're not gonna be able to use 2 of these in one side of the port. So there's just not enough space between your laptop ports. I promise you it will be worth it. This is a must, and every single accessory you'll ever buy for your MacBook or any laptop will probably come in a USB. So you're gonna need the USB-C to USB adapter. And the next accessory is very essential if you ever want to plug your computer in to an external monitor. This is going to be essential for any MacBook users that don't have an HDMI port in their computer. If you're ever going to want to use an HDMI cable to connect a monitor to your laptop, then you're going to need something like this. It's an HDMI to USB-C adapter, and you'll need to buy this if you ever want to use a monitor. These are my AirPods, and I hope you guys like the case. I thought it was pretty cute. This is an essential product for your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, and let me tell you why. Nobody likes headphones with strings, and if you're still rocking strings, you need to get rid of them. It's not 2012 anymore. It's 2023. Get AirPods, please, please. That's all. Finally, the last product I actually don't own. And the reason why I don't own it is because it's a $200 product and I don't want to buy it. But I'm going to tell you why I think it is worth it to buy it if you actually need it. It's called the CalDigit TS4 Thunderbolt dock. And it's basically a hub that is essential if you have a multiple monitor setup. Basically what it does, it extends all the plugs that you have on your laptop. So now instead of having 2 USB-C ports, you're gonna have 4 USB-C ports, 5 USB ports, HDMI ports, SD ports, headphone jack. It's definitely useful, but it's expensive. So unless you really need it and you have a 2 monitor setup, I wouldn't recommend you getting it. But that is it. Those are my favorite accessories for the MacBook Air and MacBook Pros. I think anybody with one of these laptops is going to need one of these accessories, if not all of them, in order to be able to functionally use their laptops. I hope that this video has helped. I've showed you guys my favorite accessories. Let me know in the comments what your favorite accessories are. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm your boy RJ. We are out. Peace.